So who are we? The Luxury Pergola is a company designed around a simple idea. Made in America is something that isn't really huge anymore. A lot of people have it, and there are small companies that do it, and it seems to be more of a resurgence after COVID. And I can tell from our experience that that's kind of a large reason why we did what we did. It was really important to us and our family to make sure that what we did was made in America, because not just supply chain reasons, but I know what the quality of the aluminum coming to me is. As a small company or as a growing company, you want to make sure that what comes to you is well built, reliable, and is going to serve your customer well for many years to come, so you don't have any issues. And Made in America was a big part of that. So all of our parts are fully extruded in America. Our end caps are shot in America. And the only thing that's in that system that isn't American is the motor, because I can't find an American motor, and the screws, because no one makes tech screws in America anymore. But everything else is done here, and we're very proud of that. The system itself is a pergola that opens and closes, and there's different levels of gradient of quality of pergolas that open and close. And what we made is a premium extruded product at a really attainable price. Instead of following the traditional model of essentially selling it to a dealer who then marks it up and sells it on to a customer and then adds installation, we're essentially selling it directly to the customers. And the idea there being that we think we're going to provide a better value to those customers who are going to get it in the end by skipping that original step. And there are going to be some contractors who probably buy ours to install on different people's houses. We prefer to talk directly to you, tell you exactly what about our system makes it great, and then sell it in a way that makes it more feasible to us. More generally, who are we? We're family business. My dad started originally as a kind of a gopher for my grandfather, who was also a contractor and had his own small plumbing and contracting business. And that's where my dad learned a lot of his information, as well as working as a mason's hand. And so my dad kind of grew up doing this sort of thing. And as he got older, he decided with my mother to start their own thing. And when they did, it was small, and they did just about anything, siding, roofing, you name it. And we probably did it at that point in time. And when I was still a teenager, I would help out whenever I could to be able to make sure that the company could do what it needed to do. I ended up leaving along with my brother to go work for Amazon, and we came back because my parents were working on this whole project of creating their own louvered system for a product like this that's really, really hot right now, and people are just now learning that it exists. We wanted to start to shape the market around making a product that's well built for a reasonable price, and it's difficult to do that. You can see anywhere where it says, you know, cut out the middleman and you can get a better price, and that seems to be a common marketing ploy, and so we try not to use that verbiage, but that's exactly what we're doing. The problem with those other products is a lot of times you sacrifice quality. They say they're sacrificing the middleman and you still get the best quality, but a lot of times that's not entirely true. Sometimes it is, and in our case, it is. This product could easily be sold to dealers and create a dealer network and kind of go through that whole system. But if we did that, then we're going to limit our ability to talk directly to consumers, to build something on someone's home that they actually recapture the value. So that's the concept behind the Luxury Pergola. That's who we are. We're essentially just a family of people who have been working outside and building a lot of these different louvered systems for different companies, and have found things that we really like and things we wanted to change, and made our own version of it at a much better price, or a much better value, I should say. If you want to learn more about us, you can go to theluxurypergola.com. We've got more information about us in general and the product. And I think the product speaks for itself. So check it out and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about us, about the company, about the product. Be more than happy to answer them. See you in the next one.